this lure has proven good for Gary and I throughout the season. The deer seem to really react to it. So we'll just have to see how it works for us tonight. It's a great area. Gary rattled in a couple bucks, real nice shooter bucks, a couple days ago. Something happened where they just didn't come in, but we'll just have to see how it works tonight for us.
Scrape right out here. It was sort of quartering towards me, and so I had to shoot through the front shoulder. I just hope it went through good enough to get him. It was a nice buck, though. But what was waiting for he come out here. He started thrashing in some trees. The angle of the arrow had to go almost straight down in, so just a little bit, see what happens.
Got some blood. Some more blood. Well, I hit that deer kind of high last night, and we wasn't sure if I got enough penetration, but we found the arrow, and I'm almost positive I got good penetration. But we decided, like I said, to wait till the next day because I'm almost positive I hit one lung, and if I would have got right on the track last night, I don't think he would have bedded down. He probably would have just kept running. I probably wouldn't have found a deer. So we decided to wait until the next morning, and here we are. And I got some pretty good blood, and I really think I'm going to find this deer. But just don't push him. You give him time. Got some more. Yeah, we got some more really good blood. Good sign. He definitely come this way. Oh yeah. Got some good blood through here. Looks like he come right up this creek bed. Right there he is. I tell you what, that is one nice buck. Look at that. It's a beautiful, beautiful 9-point buck. Oh, boy. Tom Hall here at Buckskin Lodge really knows what he's doing. He's got a really good program here. He doesn't allow you to shoot small bucks, and that's when you produce a buck like this. You got to let them small ones go, and they'll definitely be like this. I can't say enough. He's got a beautiful place. Gary and I we don't want to leave to go home. He's got such a nice place here. I really recommend anybody, if they get a chance, to come out here. And, boy, I tell you, a lot of people don't know, but last few years I've been hunting with Gary. He's taught me a lot. He showed me a lot of the ropes of how to hunt. And I really owe all this hunting to him. He's scent free as much as possible, and I really appreciate for everything that he's done for me. So, well, the easy work's done. Now comes the hard work. What a buck.